Hello everyone. In this Python tutorial, we will learn what a ping test is and how to do it. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel to support us and like the video. Ping is a command used to test communication between devices on a network. If the ping is successful, there is communication between the devices. If not, there is not. Now let's do a ping test using Python. First, I import the operating system library. Then I define an IP variable. I will do a ping test to the google.com site. I create another variable. I send the ping command and the variable I created to the open function. Then I send the last variable I created to the print function. The ping test was completed successfully. In other words, my computer and the google.com site can communicate. I can also do a ping test with my own computer. I need the IP address of my device. I can find out my IP address by using the ipconfig command in command prompt. I edit the variable I created for IP. I run the program again. The ping test was completed successfully. I will change the IP address and perform the ping test again. The ping test was not completed successfully because there is no device with this IP address on the local network. I can specify whether the IP address is up or down by using the unreachable keyword. I'm writing if query. If unreachable is in the ping info variable, it means the IP is down. If not, it means the IP is up. I can now comment out the print command. This IP address is down because there is no device with this IP address on the local network. I am performing the ping test again with my own computer. The ping test was completed successfully. Let's perform a ping test with google.com. The ping test was completed successfully. You can also perform a ping test in command prompt. For example, let's perform a ping test with google.com. The ping test was completed successfully. I recommend you to watch other Python tutorials.